Alright guys, this is going to be a quick unboxing, and I hope it is this. And later on you'll know why that is. Because I didn't know about this when I bought this, but apparently sometimes what happens is that it will die after a while and no longer connect to the internet. And once that happens, well, you have no other choice but to ask Google for help. And they seem to stand by their products, so hopefully, ta-da! There it is, the new one right there. And hopefully this one will see the internet and make me very happy. It's nice, it seems in good shape. I don't know if it's new or refurbished, I don't care. All I care about is that it works, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.